Good morning, dear students. Students, welcome to your drawing lecture. So students, in a last lecture, we have seen how we can draw a nail paint. Yes or no? Yes. So students, in our today's lecture, we are going to learn a new topic. And you are going to use your A4 size book for your drawing. And our first and second topic already we have written on a book, means on your book. Now you are going to write the third topic also. And the third topic is umbrella drawing. Okay. So you are going to take a new page, and on your right hand side page we are going to start with our drawing. So before starting with our drawing, we will see what materials we will need for today's lecture. So we are going to need a pencil, eraser, scale, your watercolors, sketch pens, brush, color dish, and your bowl for water. These are the things which you are going to need for today's lecture. So students, before starting with our drawing, it is compulsory that we have to create margin from all the four sides. And the measurement for your margin you are going to take is 0 to 1 centimeter. Already I have done the marking. So now with the help of the scale, I am just going to draw the margin. First you have to draw the margin, then only start. I have already done the marking, so I am starting with the bordering part. Okay, done. So students, on the corner you are going to write the date when you will receive the lecture. Okay, and now we are going to write the topic, and today's our topic is umbrella drawing. Okay students, so students, if you all are having a rounder, so you all can make use of a rounder, you all can keep and you all can draw a half circle. If not, then you all can also use a plate, a big size bowl from which you all can create a half circle. I am going to create the circle directly with the help of my hands, okay? But I have given you all the two options from that you all can do. So first we are going to draw the outer line of our umbrella. First I am going to do it lightly. If the shape is coming correct, then I am going to darken the shape. And students, we are going to draw a very simple design on a umbrella. And from down, just show the curve. Now students, with the help of scale, from this point till down, just mark a line from both the sides. Now start joining the curve. Just like this, okay? And from down, we are going to do a J shape. So that's the handle of a umbrella. So see students, umbrella is done. Now we are going to show some design in a umbrella. Okay. So students, done with this much? Yes. Now we will show the design inside our umbrella. We are not going to show some big or little small size of design. We are going to show the bigger size design. So it will be easy for you all to color it. So students, we are going to start drawing a flower inside a tree. Inside a umbrella. As I told before also, we are going to draw a very simple design. So it will be easy for you also to draw the design. That's all for design students. We are not going to show any much design inside our umbrella. That's all. Now it's time for color. Okay. So students, the color which I am going to use are yellow color, blue and green color. These are the colors which I am going to use. For your part and this part, I am going to use green color. For inside part, I am going to use blue. And for flowers, I am going to use yellow color. Okay. Students, for green I am going to use light green color, and for blue I am going to use dark blue color. Okay. And now we are going to take yellow color also. And students, also we are going to make brown color for handle. Okay. For handle we are going to make use of brown color. So students, as my all colors are ready, first I will start with green color, because as I told you on the top I am going to give green color. So I am going to start with green color. Be careful at the corner, your color should not go out. The same way we are going to do to the next section also. The same way we are going to do over here also. So students, as you can see, we are done with the part. Now we will move to this section. First we will start with blue color, and after blue we will give flowers with yellow color. Okay? Very carefully we will give the blue color. The same way as we did for green color till the last. See students, I am not coloring the flowers because there we are going to use yellow color. Only start with the outer. We are going to keep the flower as it is because there we are going to use yellow color. See students, so we are done with one side. The same way we are going to do through the next side also. First color the up part where the flowers are not there. Properly color over there. Now students, let the blue color dry completely. Then only we will move to the yellow color for the flowers. Okay. Till that with the help of green color, we will give the down shape. Okay, till the blue color is getting dried, we will again move to green color. And with the help of our green color, we will start coloring the down section. Means this, okay, with the help of green color. Till our blue color will also get dried. So students, we are done with the green color. Now, first check that your yellow color is dried, then only turn your book and start coloring the flowers. As my yellow color is completely dried, so I am going to start with the flowers. For flowers, we are going to use yellow color. Till the last flower we are going to do the same way, okay? and the last flower. Okay, done. Now for the handle, we are going to do brown color. So with the help of brown color, we are going to show the handle. From the top, start with the brown color. So students, we are done with the coloring. Now we will wait for some time so our color will get completely dry. Now with the help of sketch pens, we will show the ball. And I am going to use blue color sketch pen to show the ball. Okay? So students, as you all can see, I am showing border with the help of dark blue color sketch pen. Okay? If you all want, you all can use black color also, or else you all can use the same way I have done. So students, our umbrella design is done, and that's all for today's lecture. Okay students, we are going to do the same way I have shown. Okay, thank you students.